Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm making winter themed DIYs. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite drink and join me as I create two beautiful winter themed DIYs in today's video. And here is a little sneak peek of what I made. I'm going to show it a little later, and my dancing snowman. So let's begin with DIY number one. So for the first DIY, I am making a winter inspired centerpiece, and for that I have taken a circular mirror. Then I have placed a small candle holder in the center, and since this is a winter theme, so I am using everything in silver. Then I have taken some silver baubles and I am going to glue them around the candle holder, and these are three different varieties of baubles that I have taken. One of the baubles, that the one that you can see over here, which contains small mirrors, is a DIY one that I made in a previous video last year. So I'm using that. It gives a nice shimmery mirror effect, and I wanted similar kind of shiny effect to the centerpiece. Now I've taken some snowflakes, and these are crystal snowflakes, and I'm going to glue them on the sides of the centerpiece. I have used hot glue to glue these bubbles and crystal snowflakes. You can use any adhesive glue that leaves a clear finish, because we don't want it to look clumpy and white glue underneath, and at the same time we want something that has a strong hold as well, because we are using mirrors and crystal over here. This DIY is so very simple and I'm already loving it. It looks so pretty and so high end as well. And to add a little bit of more detail, I'm going to use some ferns, and that too in silver color. I prefer things shiny and sparkly, so a little bit of more bling doesn't harm me at all. So here I'm going to put some ferns in the center of around the candle holder. I'm not so sure why, because of the lighting. You can I think the ferns look gray in color, dusty gray, but believe me, they are a beautiful silver color and they shine beautifully. And I'm not able to show you how exactly beautiful this piece is already looking, and I'm just loving it. So here my winter inspired snowflake centerpiece is ready, and this is how it looks at night when I placed a small candle inside. And it can be used as a beautiful outdoor decor. I've placed it outside my house. There's a little setup outside where you can place it, and here I've placed it in my balcony, and you can see how beautiful it looks here as well. It's been raining here from last 2 days continuously, so the pictures are not doing justice to this beautiful piece, but I'm sure you're going to love it if you see it in person. I'm definitely loving it. Today I'm participating in the Hello Winter Challenge, and it is hosted by Tammie from the Rusted Willow and Ellie from DIY from House to Home, and the guest host today is Lisa from our Grey House. All three of them are superb creators. Do check out their channels, they are amazing. And also the playlist for the other creators who are creating winter DIYs today. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I have taken a cardboard piece and I'm going to paint it with blue acrylic paint. So I have taken a sponge brush and I'm just dabbing the paint with some water, and I'm just spreading the paint all over the cardboard piece like so. And I'm going to cover the entire cardboard with this blue color. I have made the top portion of the cardboard slightly darker in blue color and the bottom slightly lighter, because I'm going to give this the effect of the sky, the blue sky. So I'm smudging the color with long strokes with the help of my brush, sponge brush, and I'm going to let it dry until all the paint smoothens up and looks well incorporated. Now with the help of white acrylic paint, I'm going to paint a snowman. So I'm just freehanding the figurine of the snowman over here. There's no set design that I had in mind, just mixing colors, a little bit of outline so that the blue reflects on the eyes from one side and the other side is white in color. Then I made the eyes, the cap, and some snow drizzled upon the snowman using white acrylic paint. Then I'm giving the finishing touches to the snowman, that is a bit of snow drizzled on top of the cap, the stick hands, and a warm muffler around his neck in teal color. And I did a little mistake that I didn't film putting white dots in the snowman's eyes. This is something that I regret now, not putting it. And I shot the entire video, and at last I saw that, oh god, I didn't put the little shine that is needed whenever we draw figurines. So I'm going to put it later. Next I took an embroidery hoop, a large size, and I'm going to glue the all the four corners of the cardboard that I made to the placing it to the center of the hoop like so. And I'm going to glue it with the help of hot glue and let it stay put for a while. Next I'm going to take some greenery and I'm going to twirl it around the entire embroidery hoop. This greenery garland had white tips, the white edges, and it was suitable for the winter theme that seemed that snow is dusted on the edges of the garland. And here I am twirling it around the entire hoop to make it into a wreath. And you can see it's almost getting completed. My beautiful wreath is coming together and I'm just loving how it looks. The let it snow looks absolutely beautiful, and to add some more details to it, I'm taking these white poinsettia flowers. And first I thought let me put snowflakes, but then I thought maybe putting something different, adding some more different elements to the wreath, and that's why I'm putting these white poinsettia flowers. They are absolutely beautiful, going on with the winter theme. And three of the flowers go here on top of the wreath, and this is how it turned out. Let me know how you like today's video. I'm definitely missing the twinkling eyes of the snowman. I'm going to do it for sure. And here I have added some virtual snow to my snowman wreath, and it looks super cute. It was so easy to make, and it looks so beautiful. And I saw this little filter of dancing stick figures, so I thought why not use it on my snowman, and you can see him dancing. So let me know how you like today's video. Which out of the two DIYs was your favorite? Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching today's video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.